Hey there, future traders. Want to dive into exciting world of Forex trading? Whether you are looking to make extra income, this beginner's guide will walk you through every step to get started. So, let's jump in. What is Forex trading? So, Forex or foreign exchange is the global market where currencies are traded. Think of it as buying one currency while selling another, like exchanging dollar for euros. So now, step one we shall look at is educate yourself by learning the basics. So with this, you have to understand the key terms like pips, leverage, and margin. So now you have to get familiar with major currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, as you can see here. So we have here most of the major currency pairs. This is Euro USD first one, this is USD JPY and GBP USD. Okay, so now you can always check out the free resources like YouTube tutorials, Forex blogs or courses to learn more about Forex trading. So you have to know that knowledge is your foundation. Make sure don't skip it because it is your foundation. Okay, so now for the pips, as you can see here, when I open my trade, for example, this is USD JPY pair. Okay, so now for the number of pips, always you will use what we call this tool here. Okay, so this one will tell you how many pips you are risking, how many pips you are targeting. Okay, so now for the leverage, always the broker will show you the leverage you are using. So you have to choose it for yourself. 1 to 1000, 1 to 100, or unlimited leverage. So now step 2 is to choose a reliable broker. So now after educating yourself and knowing what Forex is and knowing the currency pairs you are trading, you have to choose a reliable broker. Always you have to pick a trusted broker. Okay, you have to look for one regulated by authorities like the FCA or the ASIC for safety. Okay, so now you have to compare the fees, the spreads, and platforms like MetaTrader 5. Do they offer MetaTrader 5 where you will be able to connect them, or TradingView? Okay, so for my case, I use XNES Broker. Okay, I use XNES Broker. You can check the link in the description to create your account with XNES if you are new. So now this is XNES account, and XNES offers limited leverage. So you can trade with limited leverage. You can trade with the leverage you want. Okay, or 1 to 200, and also the withdrawal for XNES is very quick. Okay, you just receive your money in just seconds. Okay, so now you have to create your account with XNES. So now step 3 is to practice with a demo account. So now after creating your account with XNES or any broker of your choice, now you can connect this XNES with your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Okay, so now with there you will they'll give you a demo account. For example, now this is my demo account right here for XNES. So now I'll connect it with my MetaTrader 5 and I'll be able to trade with a demo account. So most brokers they offer virtual trading accounts with fake money. As you can see here, this is a 10k USD. This is not real money. This is a demo account. This money I use it to test your strategy. Okay, so now you have to understand the market movements. So also you get comfortable with the movement of the platform. So the spread, so now always the spread for XNES is 0.2, and also at least you have to spend at least a month practicing before risking your real money. Okay, so now also you can practice with you can practice with almost 100 trades to be able to be confident with your strategy. Okay, so now step 4 we shall see you will go to develop a trading plan. After practicing on the demo account and you are comfortable with your strategy, now this another step is to develop a trading plan. Okay, so now you build a trading plan, you decide your goals, your risk tolerance. For example, you're having your $1,000, so you have to decide your goals, risk tolerance. What are you going to risk? Okay, are you going to be a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader? So now for scalpers, for example, now they can use these lower time frames. For example, they can use a 5 minute time frame. This is a 5 minute time frame. Okay, and you say, okay, I'm going to always risk like some few pips, and I target only 10 to 20 pips because I'm a scalper. Okay, so you decide that yes, I'm going to enter from here. I risk, I put my stop loss there, then I can always risk, or I can use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, 1 to 3 because I'm a scalper. So now for the day traders, they can use a 1 hour time frame for when you are doing your analysis, and you always enter on a lower time frame like a 5 minute time frame. Okay, so now you can decide to use that because you are a day trader. You always exit the market during day. Okay, you don't hold for so long because you are a day trader. Also, you can decide to be a swing trader. So now those ones, you always have to use higher time frame like weekly, daily, monthly time frame. Okay, you can even hold trades for days because you are a swing trader. So you have to set your rules for entry and exit points. Okay, like you can say that I'll never risk more than 1 to 2% of my account. Okay, for example, when you have $1,000, you will say that no, I will not risk more than $10 because that is your risk tolerance. So you'll not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. So just know, discipline is the key. Okay, so now step number 5 is to start trading with real money. Now you've set your trading plan. Now you have got your real money to trade with. So here you have to start small. Okay, so now here, if you have like your $1,000, don't all put it on one account. No, you have to divide it into some small accounts. For example, now you can open a micro or a cent account. So when you have your $10 and you decide to open a micro account, $10 they can multiply it and they give you 1,000 micro or 1,000 cents. Okay, so when you have your $100, they can give you 10,000 cents. So that is a micro, or that is a cent account to minimize your risk. So you can use that and try to stick to your strategy. Okay, so now you stick to your plan. You avoid emotional decisions when you are on a cent account or a micro account, and you always have to use a stop loss. Okay, you always have to use a stop loss orders to protect your account. Okay, then step number 6, that is stay informed and adapt. Okay, so now you have to follow economic news like interest rate changes. You can also geopolitical events using tools like Forex Factory. I always use Forex Factory to see the news that are going to happen. Okay, so now also keep learning and refining your strategy. So you join trading communities. They are always there on X, on Twitter, also Discord for tips and support. Okay, so now that is it. Forex trading is your chance to take control of your financial future. So start small, stay disciplined, and keep learning. So if you have found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button, like button, and share with friends. So you drop questions below, and happy trading.